we'll find a snake. Big anaconda snake. That would be cool. Python? I'm not sure what types of snakes are in the Philippines. I should watch out for spiders though. I have a tendency to always walk into spider webs. Look at this flower. Is there water on the lens? Maybe. 1 second. I don't know if that's any better. I think I totally just made it worse. Oh. Wilson? Is that you? Wilson! I found Wilson, guys. Tom Hanks' blood is washed off, though. Bye, Wilson. It's so cool how there's just boats everywhere. There's a boat in that tree. There's a busted boat right here. There's a huge boat right here. It looks legit, like it's someone's still. There's houses up there. Like, I don't know if you can see that blue house way up there. It's probably where they just go straight into the water, go fishing. This one has an actual propeller on it though, so there's definitely an engine inside. Let's look at it. Inside. Is there an engine? No engine. I don't know how much further I can go. It looks like it's actually turning into jungle over here. Let's see. Oh, there's a frog. That's cool. I don't know if that picked up on the camera. Is that a frog or like a lizard? Now I really have to watch where I'm going now, because there's legit spider webs in here that have the most frightening looking spiders that anyone would ever want to see. I always have a tendency back home to put my face right into it. I'm sure they come out at night though, right? At least there's no flies. I've walked on some beaches where there's just never-ending flies. Look at, yeah, there's a lot of frogs running to the water. Let me see if you can see this. I'm gonna go real fast right here and try to look down where you see the water flowing. You're gonna see a bunch of little frogs running into the water. Ready? Did you see that? I think they're frogs. Yeah, there's not too many flies here. Oh, there's like a huge cliff over here. That's crazy. Let's go a little bit further and then I'll turn around, because the sun's gonna set, and when it sets, it's gonna get really dark really fast. I know you're probably saying, how hard is it to find your way home? You're just walking along the beach. Oh, there's a house up there. Musta ate? Hi. It's okay if I walk here? It's okay? Can I come say hi to you? Can I say hi to you? Should I go this way? Okay. It's okay out there? Hi.
Hello,
What's up?
Janet.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too.
I'm making a video. How beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
It's okay. It's okay. Where you are staying?
The Kaluchi over here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a farm? Your farm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is our house up there.
This one? All the way up here? Wow. It's so nice. Wow.
Brandon, it's okay, Don. It's okay. Hey, Twinkie, it's okay.
Sorry, Ate.
It's okay. They are protecting.
Yeah.
It's okay, Bandon. It's okay.
They've never seen a white guy, maybe.
No, my husband is a white guy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice, awesome. So you're selling, are you selling this one?
No, this is for Papa soon.
Oh, okay.
They're selling there inside. If you want, you can go there. You can check the pigs. There are still pigs.
In this one here?
Yeah.
The dogs will not bite? It's okay?
No, it's okay.
Just barking?
Yeah, they're just barking.
Where to go? In here?
Yeah, you can just go there.
Yeah, okay.
Sometimes they can talk to you.
Okay. Oh yeah. So, hello, Kuya. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How are you?
Oh, yeah, Gerald.
Christopher.
Oh, Christopher. Nice to meet you, Christopher.
I'm making a video of your beautiful house.
Oh,
So
you make
nice.
a video like you are vlogger.
Vlogger, yeah, vlogger. Vlogger.
Oh, we have also the big piglets around inside the.
Oh, piglets?
Yeah.
Will you sell this one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow. How much for one?
Oh, not sold. Oh, not sold, not sale.
This one?
Oh, the mother. This one.
Oh, wow. Oh, there's a lot. Look at one.
This tree is pregnant.
3? Pregnant. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at the piglets. They're so cute. Look at how cute they are. Oh my gosh. Hi. Hello. Hello, little piglets. They think I have food. I don't have food. I don't have food. Wow, there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 13. Amazing. Okay. I don't want to overstay my welcome here. I'm sure it's quite annoying that their dogs are barking. Oh, this is so big.
Brandon.
Wow,
It's okay.
it's so big. Okay, Kuya. Salamat.
Okay, wala ka pa ya.
Thank you. Ingat ka.
Yeah, thank you.
Ingat ka, Kuya.
Thank you.
Ingat ka.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too also. Ingat.
Yeah. Take care now. Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
there you go, a pig farm on the ocean. Salamat ate, thank you so much. Take care, ingat ka. Okay, bye-bye. I'm leaving now. Okay, I'm going. I'm going now. Bye. That was really cool. That's their house up there. All the way up there. I don't know if you guys caught it, but there were steps going all the way up here. See that dog barking way up there on top. Amazing. What an amazing place to live, right? I mean, you got fishing, plenty of pork for those of you watching. That's where your bacon comes from. Most of those pigs, if not all of them, will end up on a rotisserie made out of wood and sold and then eaten. I do have some pictures of when I was earlier in the week. We had it's called lechon in the Philippines. It's called lechon. See, now there's a lot of bugs coming. Sorry, I lost you. That was definitely a spider crawling on my hand. Yeah, now the spiders are starting to drop. Yeah, so that's how they make their income. Obviously, they raise pigs from piglets. Those 3 big pigs were all pregnant. They'll raise them up, feed them, make them nice and big, and then sell them. Like I said, I wish I could have stayed a little longer and talked to them, but those dogs were rather protective of the mom and dad. That's the cool thing about the Philippines. Everyone is just so nice. Like, just, it's okay. Come see. Go over there and look. Come to my house. Come see what I have here. Everyone's very welcoming, and everyone speaks English too. Where else in the world can you walk a random beach into the middle of the jungle and find people that are fluent in English? I think I have like 100 rocks in my shoes right now. Oh, that's a little better. I'm gonna have to read about these mangroves. I know they serve a huge purpose for the ecosystem. I think they filter the water, or I can't remember exactly. Maybe we'll find a... That'd be so cool if someone came right now and I was able to like go out on a boat with them. Look how beautiful that is over there. Stop for a second. The sun is setting right over here. Here's my resort. The Calachuchi Resort. Very interesting name. Calachuchi. Calachuchi Resort, Siquijor, Philippines. A wonderful place to stay if you ever visit. Very accommodating, very nice, and amazing food. I was talking to the chef, the owner's wife is the chef, and she was telling me all about the different foods that she cooks with her husband. Her husband being Swiss, he likes a lot of they have like bratwurst, like different types of pasta. Yeah, let's check this out. Oh my gosh. There's a, I really don't know how well it's picking up out here, but there's it looks like a ferry. I know when I went down this way, there were a few signs on the road that said ferry to Bohol, Philippines. That's where the tarsiers are. You know what a tarsier is? Cute little big-eyed monkeys that are, I don't know, not that big. So that ferry, you can drive your car on it actually. You can drive your car on it and it will take you all the way over there. Looks like it's definitely a piece of coral. See if I can make it up to this without saving money. That's amazing. I have the whole place to myself. Can you believe it? Should I use my goggles and snorkel in the swimming pool? Maybe I should wash my shoes off first. I think that's what this is for. Nobody should be bringing dirty sand into a beautiful pool like that. See, I told you there was sand in my shoe. Probably just this is a proper shower head, guys. This is a proper shower head. Amazing. Yes. Amazing. You guys get to look? Okay. I think that's good enough. Now, Grab our shoes in case someone else might come over here. Make sure my bag is still here. Of course it is. I have about 4% left, guys. So let's just go until we... Let's go until it dies. Here's the barge. I think it's too far out for you guys to... Sorry, there's water on the camera again. Hold on. There we go. A little bit better. This is a hammock. Should I try it? Let's try the hammock. Okay. Wow. Just sleep here. I think that's what I'll do. I think I'm gonna go to sleep. I should lay the other way though, because that's the direction that the sun is setting. Yeah, that's what we want to do. You want to lay this way. Without falling. Don't fall. Oh. Let me get inside. Sorry, guys. Well, it's been fun. I'll see you guys in a little bit. We'll go grab some dinner. I'll take you up the road on the motorcycle or scooter, and we'll get some authentic Filipino street food. All right. Signing off.